Hey guys, welcome back to Running Kyle Games, and today we're going to be making a face mask because Trump told us to put on a scarf and I don't want to put on a scarf, so yeah, let's go. So first, you need 12 to 13 inches of rubber bands. Just 12 inches worth of rubber bands. You need one paper towel and one half a paper towel, and you just need tape. How easy is that? It's like almost free. Alright, first, take your paper towel or your one paper towel and place it down. And the second, you take your other one half of a paper towel, you fold it in half again, and you place it somewhere in the center of your one paper towel. And basically, you're supposed to fold the top now because I don't know why. And then you have to fold down the bottom part because I don't know why either. This is just gonna help later on. Now you put on the tape. And then you want to make, I don't know what you call this, like a fold somewhere between the middle.
English.
Like that. And then second, and then you make a second one again. Like that. It's no, I don't know what you call this. Is it a mountain fold or a, I don't know, a crease. After you're done with that, flip it to the other side. Like that. It's no, I don't know what you call this. Is it a mountain fold or a, I don't know, a crease. After you're done with that, flip it to the other side. Make sure the crease is still there, because if the crease is gone, then your mask gets ruined. Alright. Now you fold the sides like 1 centimeter. Well, both sides. And then put on tape. Yep. Boom.
Meter. Well, both sides. And then put on tape. Yep. Boom.
Now this is where rubber band comes in. Alright, you fold this part, and then you place down your rubber band in here. The part where you fold it. After you put in your rubber band, you have to put on tape.
Okay.
Right, now do the same thing on the other side.
After you put on your rubber band, you have to put on tape. Right, now do the same thing on the other side.
And boom, it's a mask. And then now you just have to test it on. By the way, the reason why you put this crease on is so we could stretch it out and we could actually cover our nose. Boom! Now you got yourself protected from coronavirus and you don't have to wear a scarf. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to Running Kyle Games.